Hey guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come with a new tutorial, that is how to get a parametric component. So you can see my screen, right? So in this you can see lot of parametric components. These components are very useful to you while you are going to draw any kind of plan in your Revit architecture. So these all are useful for Revit architecture. As you can see, these are my some of the furnitures, right? So this makes your plan very attractive and beautiful. So, and most of you need this, right? So today I'm going to provide you this with a free of cost. So I need to tell you this all everything in this tutorial, so you please watch this tutorial completely, right? So have a look. So in this tutorial I have uploaded almost 150 components, right? So the question is that how you get these all components, right? So you can get it from my description box. So in my description box you can get the link. If you click it you can download it easily, right? So you can see there is lot of blocks, right? So varieties of cars, so that looks your plan very attractive to your clients. So I'm going to show you some of the demos also, so how your plans looked good, right? So this is except port chair. So if you upload in your drawings, so that is quite good. So I'm going to provide you these all the components over here, and I will show you some of the demos in this tutorial. So that looks quite good. So some of here I have shown you lot of things. So lot of things means maximum these things are only useful to your plan, any kind of plan. So like this, these are the plants. So these plants are look very good to design any kind of elevations of your building, right? So some of the interior works, so escalator, these are the not for a simple plan. If you want to make a big and villa mansion type of plan, in that also these appliances and these components are very useful to you. So have a look on this. So everything I have uploaded over here. So some of the trees, some of the interior work, some of the coaches, some of the sofas, some of the refrigerators, some of the lightings also, some of the plants, some of the gates, varieties of gates, shuttering gates, some of the windows, varieties of windows, gas stoves, and all of these. So right, so the question is how to get these all, right? So I have told you that you can get it from the description box. So now have a look in this. So I'm going to show you these all in my Revit. So you can see my Revit is about to open, right? So just have a look over here. So you can see it has been opened, right? So here you can see, so here you can see this is the bed which I have been uploaded wrongly, means wrongly, just it was just for demo to show you. So see, these are the indoors. You can see some of the statue of the men over here, and these are the components, so that looks your plan or your elevation beautiful. So have a look on this ground floor, means first floor of this plan. So how you upload this, here you can see I have made it, this is mine. So if you want to upload this you can get it from there, you just go and take it, right? So if you want to see it in a proper way, just go to the view and just go to the 3D view, just click it over here. You may able to see this. No, I don't want to save this project at all. So I'm going to show you this round table. So it is near to the tree, right? So actually here, so if you place this all everything, this table also in this your plan of in your rooms or in your living area, so that makes your plan or your building looks quite good. So in my upcoming tutorial I will make a good sense of the tutorial of the inside, right? So in that you will get lot of things. So this tutorial motto is just to give you or just to provide you the material, means components, how to do some of the architectural works in that you need to place, so that your clients will looks good. So you can see, go to the architecture, see it here, Just go to the architectural. So here you can see, just go to the architectural tab, just click it here. In the architectural you can see this type of panel will open, right? So here it has been hidden little bit, my panel has been hidden, so just go to click over here, so your all of the panel will open, reappear. Just go to architecture and just go to the components, just go and click it here. So suppose if you have downloaded your all of the components from description box, then after that what you need to do, so most of you know how to handle it. So have a look over here, so it is about to loading. So here you can see, just go to the component, just go to click the load family, click it over here. So where you have downloaded your file means this component. So if I have been downloaded in desktop, so you can from desktop you can get it. So but for me it is in my downloads, so just go to the downloads, click it over here. So here you can see it is my right side, you can see some of the components are there. So here, so palm tree over here, so just go and open it. So if you open it, it will be saved you over here in this left side. So here I have already opened, means I have already loaded in my family. So here you can see lot of families are there, so I need not to uh, reload in family. So if I want to this Alfa Romeo, just go and click it here. So it is only for demo for you. So see, this is here, right? So if you want to move it, if you want to change, rotate it, just go to press your space bar. See, if you just go and click it, so with the help of space bar, just go and escape twice. So now go to your view tab, just go and click in the 3D. You can see which I have been taken here. Just with the help of shift, hold your shift, means pressing your shift and pressing your mouse middle cursor and just rotate. Here this one I have been uploaded. So this tutorial motto is only about to give you the or provide you the this one, this all the materials, means this component, so you can go and download it. I hope you all love this tutorial, so please do subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon for getting more updates regarding our tutorials. So thank you for bearing me.